Good morning and welcome back to Cobra Vids. On this video, we're going to share a product with you that was just sent to us by the folks at Kustom Interior. If you're like me and the rest of my Texan neighbors, you use your truck exactly what it's meant for. I think this product is going to be for you. Let me show you the interior of my truck. Alright guys, as you can see, we do use our truck. We get it dirty, we spill things on the seats, and these are cloth seats. I don't know why Ford chose to put cloth seats in an off-road vehicle when they know they're going to get dirty. The fellows at Kustom Interior has sent us a product that we're going to install on our F-150 today and show you how easy it is to install it and how great this truck is going to look after it is installed. The fine people at Kustom Interiors has sent us this product for us to show you. I can't wait. Let's open this box up and see what they sent us. Alrighty guys, after opening up the box and checking out what they sent us, I tell you what guys, these are not your average Walmart seat covers. These are high quality, looks like beautiful leather, and I tell you what guys, these are going to make this truck pop. The inside of the seat covers, you could tell that they're very well stitched together. This is a high quality product. Alright, first off, we're going to install the piece that goes along the back seat right here. Are you excited as I am? This is going to look great, guys. After releasing this back seat, it's going to allow you to pull it back so that you can work on getting the seat covers on. We're going to have to do the other side as well, but first we're going to have to pull off all of the headrests. Alright guys, since now that I got both seats folding down, now we're going to go ahead and start getting the back of the seat installed so we can start to see how this is going to look. As you can see, the seat covers went on pretty darn easy. They feel great on the back, and during the install I could tell that they are very well conformed to this model. I tell you, they did a great job so far, but this is just the back of the back seat. We got the seat part and the front seats all to do. So let's go ahead and knock that out. By the way, this only took me about 10 minutes to get attached. What took the most time was pulling off the headrest and unlatching the back of the seat. At the end of the video, I will leave a link to the video of how to disengage the back seats. That's not part of this video, but I will provide that to you at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, well that whole process took about 20 minutes. Now I'm sure with a little bit more adjustment I can get a tighter fit, but for just the initial install, they fit great. They actually feel like real seats. That's something that I am very impressed with. Doesn't feel like a seat cover, it feels like real seats. The back seat covers are nearly installed. I just have the little headrest right there in the middle, and then the back seats are going to be done. I love the stitching because it matches my seat belt there. It just matches the rest of the interior, and I am absolutely impressed so far. Let's go ahead and let's get the front done so we can see it all in one shot. Alrighty guys, the front and back seat covers are all installed, and I have to say the quality of these seat covers is about a 10 out of 10. The ease of installation is about a 9.5 out of 10. The only issue I had were the front headrest covers. They were a little tough to get on, but if you just work at it one side at a time and work it in there and kind of tuck up in there, it's going to wrap around that headrest and be very solid. These seat covers almost feel like seats. I tell you what, man, they did such a fantastic job on here that if I didn't know, I would say that these are seats and not seat covers. I can't wait to start using them. The back seat covers look fantastic. I can't wait for my grandkids to ride back here so they can tell me what they think. Alrighty guys, well thank you for joining us on the install of these wonderful seat covers by Kustom Interiors. I cannot express enough how well quality, well built these seat covers are. If you're looking for a very high quality seat cover that won't really break the bank, and get yourself a set for your F-150 as well. Kustom Interior also sells products for other vehicles as well. F-150 is not the only vehicle they produce quality product for. All right, guys, what do you think? Kustom Interiors does a great job. Great job indeed. Great fitment, great quality. Very simple to install. The customer service is outstanding. And at the end of this video, in the description, we're going to leave links to their website so that you can order your own set of Kustom Interior products.